Okay, your topic is describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. So your topic is in the past tense. So therefore, focus past simple, past perfect, was, were, had, and all that. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I want to discuss road journey, which became a hassle for me. I and my younger brother and I always like to go for road journeys. When we were kids, our parents always used to take us for road journeys because Pakistan is a big country, and there are a lot of places to visit. And once we were visiting Lahore, which is a metropolitan city, and we were actually visiting all the famous places and especially the cuisine shops and food points which were really famous in Lahore. And the name of the famous food shop was Yasser Brost. Where we didn't want to miss it, and unfortunately it opened at 5 a.m. in the morning, and we had to set out for at 3 a.m. because it was 2 hours away from our hotel.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Your answer is all irrelevant to the topic. The topic is describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know. So you spoke for 1 minute 30 seconds and you did not say anything about getting lost. अभी तो आप घूमे ही नहीं, डेढ़ मिनट से ज़्यादा हो गया, अभी तक आप घूमे ही नहीं है.
उसी तरफ आने लगा.
उसी तरफ कब आना है? 2 मिनट के बाद आना है. उससे आपने स्टार्ट करना था. आपका आंसर लग रहा है इट्स अ क्रैम्ड प्रिपेयर्ड आंसर which you are trying to fit over here, and you did not say anything about the topic. Where is your topic? It should be in front of you. उसका तवीज़ बना के थोड़ी जेब में रखना है. The topic should be in front of you. Keep an eye on the topic, write down some notes, take a look at the notes and all that. If you speak like this, examiner will give you 1 band. It is all prepared answer. Okay? Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. Do you often get lost?
Really not, because nowadays, Google Maps are very common, and whenever we get lost, we can easily use the Google Map to get out of the situation. So I don't think I really get lost.
Okay, I often get lost.
Yes.
Or I get lost frequently.
Yes.
Is map reading skill important?
Uh, According to my point of view, I would say yes, because I just mentioned Google Maps. So Google Maps are very common nowadays. So it's important to read Google Maps to avoid such a unusual situation like getting
Okay.
lost.
Why some people like, or why do some people like traveling to other places?
Uh, People like to travel other places because they want to know about the life in other places and the culture outside their hometown. So it's like adventurous to visit other places.
All right, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. But because of your performance in part 2, all your answer was irrelevant to the topic.
Yes.
I'll give you,
Part 3 से दे दें.
yeah, part 3 is around 2.5.
Point 3.
Total band score 3. Okay.
Part 2 को तो छोड़ ही देना अभी.
Yeah, so in part 3, if I give you 1.5, still you will not get any. Anyways, let's not give you any band score, but
Yes.
be careful. Start your answer directly from the cue card. Don't say मैं उधर ही आ रहा था. उधर से ही शुरू करना है. Okay? Yeah, that's important. Thank you.